Red. Green. Choo-choo. Blue. Chow-choo. Yellow. Choo-choo. Orange. Choo-choo. Purple. Choo-choo. Black. Choo-choo. Black. Choo-choo. Choo-choo! Silver! Choo-choo! Pink! Ha! Red, green, blue, yellow, orange, purple, pink, black, white, gold, silver. Colors! Today we learn color names. Red. Look, red apples. Red, red. Green. Look, green tree. Green, green. Choo-choo. Blue. Look, blue butterfly. Blue, blue. Choo-choo. Yellow. Look, yellow chick. Yellow. Yellow. Orange. Look, orange fruit. Orange. Orange. Choo-choo. Purple. Look, purple grapes. Purple, purple. Choo-choo. Pink. Look, P&K flower. Pink. Pink. Black. Look, B-L-A-K penguin. Black. Black. White. Look, white sheep. White. White. Brown. Look, brown teddy bear. Brown. Brown. Goldie. Look, Goldie star. Go-L-D. Go. Silver. Silver. R-E-D. Look, R-E-D apples. Read. Choo-choo. Green. Look, G-R-E-N tree. Green. Choo-choo. Yellow. Look, yellow chick. Yellow! Orange! Look! Orange fruit! Orange! Purple! Look! Purple grapes! Purple!